Welcome back to our channel. Today we have another Thar for service. For the complete service, the vehicle is come for the complete suspension work and EGR clean and also service. So you can just have a look at the vehicle. We have removed all the parts at the moment. You can just check out the lower arms and ball joints. Everything are going to be replaced. All bushers are going to be replaced. You can just check out. We are going to replace all the lower arm bushers in this completely, and brakes are going to be cleaned. And you can just have a look at the bushes, and brake pads are also going to be changed, and liners are going to be cleaned and checked. Shock absorbers are also going to be checked. You can just check the complete things have been put here, and also the bearings are getting greased completely, and even the four-wheel hub is going to be greased completely. And you can just check out the liners have been removed, and we are just checking the brake cylinder also, rear. Everything is fine. We would be using the same ones. If not, if there is any problem, we would be replacing to a brand new one. And right now you can just have a look at the Bolero. It's in the final stage of the delivery to the customer. You can just check. This is an Bolero, two-wheel drive Bolero, completely painted. Polishing is pending at the moment. You can just have a look at the Bolero front. The Bolero is completely getting ready. This is a Bolero. It's a two-wheel drive Bolero, DI turbo, AC, power steering is available in this. So we have installed a Arrivo tire, and 2-inch lift kit has been done on this vehicle. And you can just check out the bumper. We have done the rafter coating in this, as well as grills. So stay tuned and watch our channel. We'll be providing you more and more updates on this vehicle also. So please like and subscribe our channel. And our WhatsApp number is 9886679617. We are based in Bangalore. So please like and subscribe. For any kinds of mechanical issues or any modification or sales service, you can just WhatsApp our number. We are a multi-brand workshop. We would work on both cars and Jeeps, Gypsies, 4x4, Isuzus. So please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.